and a warm welcome to the dun 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 Bear and Turnip Embroidery channel. I am Nicole, and I would like to teach you embroidery techniques, and we can have some fun with stitch-along videos. What? Embroidery is not for you, you say? Nonsense! I used to think the same as you. But look at all these goodies I made in the past year alone. OMG, right? Back when 2020 happened, I felt like I was losing my mind. Anxiety? Check. Uncertainty? Check. Boredom? Oh, most definitely. I tried my hand at yoga, meditating, booze, just kidding, and being positive. But none of those things worked. I was in a funk. But, to my great surprise and delight, embroidery of all things helped, after I discovered it, that is. The simple act of hand sewing improved my mental health. It made me more focused, and it brought me pleasure and joy. You absolutely do not need to be an artist to benefit and have fun here. Believe me, I am by no means a professional. But I am passionate, and I do want to share the fun with you and help you. Come join me in weekly videos where I show off the art and craft of hand embroidery. Embroidery brings joy and fun into my life, and it can do the same for you. So, what are you waiting for? Hit the like and subscribe button, join the channel, and let's have some fun together.